Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Impala LT. Stock number Z8884XX. Only 28,000 miles in this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal red in color. You receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The Impala is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. In the large car class, seats 5. Leather seats with suede inserts. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Very large trunk, one of the largest in its class, with a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. This Impala has advanced safety features like lane departure warning and forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with your owner's manual. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power move. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 305 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Impala, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.